Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel where we navigate life challenges together. Today, we are diving into something many of us grapple with social anxiety. If you have ever felt those knots in your stomach before a social event, stick around. Hit subscribe, join our community, and let's embark on this journey together. The initial step towards overcoming social anxiety is recognize and accept your anxiety. It's okay to feel anxious. By understanding and embracing these feelings, you are empowering yourself to make positive changes. The next step is challenge negative thoughts. Ever found yourself stuck in a negative thought loop? Our mind can play tricks on us, feeding us negative thoughts that fuel our anxiety. It's time to break free. Challenge these thoughts. Ask yourself, are they based on facts or assumptions? By dissecting these thoughts, we can regain control over our mindset. The third step is practice self compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, especially when facing social challenges. Remember, everyone makes mistakes and no one is perfect. Be as understanding with yourself as you would with a friend. Then, the most important step is start small. Begin with the small, manageable steps. These small victories will add up and pave the way for increased confidence. The next step is set realistic goals. Celebrate small victories like initiating a conversation or making eye contact. Each success, no matter how minor, is a step forward on your journey to overcome social anxiety. Then we can learn relaxation techniques. Practice deep breathing, mindfulness, or progressive muscle relaxation to help manage anxiety symptoms and regain control. Next step is develop social skills. Enhance your social skills through practice. Work on active listening, maintaining eye contact, and engaging in small talk. As you hone these skills, you will find yourself more at ease in social situations. Next, most important step is shift focus outward. Instead of dwelling on how others perceive you, shift your focus outward. Ask open ended questions, show genuine interest in others, and let the conversation flow. Redirecting your attention can alleviate self consciousness. Next step is build a support system. Don't face social anxiety alone. Share your feelings with trusted friends or family. Having a support system provides encouragement, understanding, and a source of comfort during challenging times. Then we can consider professional help. If social anxiety significantly impacts your life, seeking professional help is a courageous step. Therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy can provide valuable tools and strategies to manage and overcome social anxiety. Next, we can join social groups. Explore group or activities aligned with your interests. This provides a structured setting for social interactions, making it easier to connect with like minded individuals. Shared interests can be a powerful bridge. And the last step is celebrate progress. No victory is too small. Recognize and reward yourself for stepping outside your comfort zone. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Recognize your progress and applaud your efforts. And there you have it, a roadmap to overcome social anxiety. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with someone who might benefit, and join our supportive community by hitting that subscribe button. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Take care of yourself, be kind, and know that progress, no matter how gradual, is still progress. See you in the next one.